Greetings everybody, welcome back to another video. On this week's video, I'm going to be doing something fun and a challenge at the same time. I'm going to be dealing with the spicy noodle gang. What I mean by gang is I got a bunch of spicy noodle or the Samyang spicy noodle flavors, and I'm going to be giving each one a try and do a review on them. As well as, I guess it's kind of a challenge being they're all super spicy. So let's here's the first one I have. I got the cheese flavor as one of them. This is the cheese flavored Samyang spicy noodle. Now I'm not gonna do them all in one shot. I'm gonna be breaking them up in one each day because that's just too much noodle for one day pretty much. So, but I'm gonna, here's the second flavor, curry flavored Samyang spicy noodle. And the last one is, I'm not really so sure about this one. I can't pronounce the name for it, but it's the black bean sauce flavored one. So we got the black bean, the curry, and the cheese flavor spicy noodle. So I'm gonna give each one of them a try and give you my overall thoughts on them and to see how spicy they are. But as you see in my previous video, I already did a spicy noodle challenge as well as the 2x spicy. I leave a link up in the corner for you to go check those out. I'm gonna be put them all in the playlist, so you could check all three of them if you want. But I think today I'm gonna try the curry flavor Samyang noodles. So yeah, let me get this one prepared and we'll see how it tastes. All right everybody, we got the curry noodles prepared right here. I gotta wait until it cool a little bit before I give it a taste test. But whoa, got a little bit of a sauce accident. Yeah, they want you to leave a little water in it, so it's a little more wet than the regular spicy noodle. So I got a little bit of sauce, but that's all right. Anyway, let's give it a little bit of a taste, shall we? Let me just bring this up here. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers, everybody. Whoa. Yeah, that's a spicy noodle, all right. It hits you right in the face. Yeah, but this flavor is pretty nice. I mean, it's not, I don't think it's as sweet as the original spicy noodle. A little bit of curry flavor. I mean, besides the sauce being a different color, the flavor pretty much tastes quite similar. I mean, it's a little less sweeter than the original, and the spice level is about the same as the original spicy, I would say. And it's a little bit of a curry flavor. I was thinking it would be a real strong curry flavor, but it's not that really strong of a curry flavor for me. Maybe it's because, you know, the type of curry I have is a little thicker and everything, and this is a little watery. I may have put too much water in it, but overall not that bad. Spice level is about the same as the original. Flavor is a little less sweet than the original. And in terms of curry flavor, if you're not really that into curry, you know, this would be a good introduction. The curry flavor is not really that strong on it. But yeah, this is pretty good. All right, let me finish this up, and we start with the next one tomorrow.
Several days later.
All right, greetings everybody. It's been the second day. It's been a few days since I did the curry noodles. So today I'm gonna do the remaining two flavors. I said I was gonna do it, you know, one day at a time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I decided, you know, just get it all over with and just do the two of them together. So it's kind of like a mini challenge, you know, eat 2 packs of spicy noodles, but a lot of people could finish 2 packs with no problem. So here's the black bean one. Is dark, like with a lot of soy sauce type dark. And here's the cheese one, which kind of looks like the same as the regular spicy though, except that the noodles are flat. So I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna try the black bean sauce one, or the jjajangmyeon as they call it. And yeah, let's give it a taste, see how it goes. It's nice and dark and stuff, very saucy. Ooh. Oh man, this is a pretty strong flavor. The burn is more apparent than the curry one. I would say it's about equal to the regular spicy, maybe about the same as the regular spicy. Let's continue on, see how, if I could finish it. Actually, this is not bad. It's not that sweet as the original. Overall, not bad. Ooh, yeah. Got my shirt dirty. Like I said, good thing I didn't wear a white shirt today, because I got some curry sauce on my white shirt. Ooh, it got that creaminess to it too.
I like it!
Then yeah, I'm a klutz when I come to eating stuff. I drop everything. All right, that was the black bean flavored spicy noodle. It's all gone, and still haven't need to touch it. It's not as spicy as the regular spicy. The regular spicy was it's a little more spice. It's nothing too bad. I would say it's a tad hotter than the curry one. So now let's try the cheese. Here's the cheese one. Let's just see here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a cheese flavored spicy noodle, and it's a flat noodle. Oh, it's cheesy. Oh, it tastes like if you pour lava in macaroni and cheese. That's what it tastes like. Well, like a really nacho sauce. Man down, drop a noodle with that one. I had to clean it up a little bit, but. I said like macaroni and cheese, but you know, you put some hot sauce in it. Alright, I finished both bowls. Let's see here. Here's the cheese one, and here's the black bean one. Now over here you got some little meat pieces with some vegetables and stuff. This one's really good. I like this one. I also like this one. This tastes like macaroni and cheese with some spicy sauce in it. So yeah, two bowls of spicy noodle down. Don't have to wait till tomorrow.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, that concludes all three spicy noodle flavors. I thought I was gonna like the curry the most, but it turned out to be my least favorite. I like the black bean one, just for the fact it got actual, you know, meat pieces in it, some vegetables, kind of like a cup of noodles type deal. The cheesy one kind of brings back, you know, childhood memories, you know, mac and cheese. When you were a kid, you eat mac and cheese all the time. And I finished all two bowls without any water, so or milk. So it's spice level wise, it's not as hard as, you know, as hot as, you know, the original spicy. So you don't have to worry about that. In fact, if you want, you could actually, you know, get these flavors and enjoy on a routine basis, I would think. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials, vlogs, fun and challenges. And make sure to hit the notification bell to get notified of new videos. As always, everybody, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.